Hello, welcome to the KlinKode app tutorial series. Today, we'll show you how to hide any shipping methods for specific products or collections using the KlinKode ShipRight app. First, go to the All Rules page. Click on the Add a New Rule button. Give it a rule name. Add your desired shipping methods under the Select Shipping Methods field. If you don't see your desired shipping method names there, you can add them manually in the Additional Shipping Methods field. Make sure the shipping names match exactly as they are in your Shopify shipping and delivery settings. Now scroll to the Collections and Products section and add your products in the Products field. You can also use the Collections field instead of the Products field. Finally, scroll to the bottom and click on the Create Rule button. That's it. Now, if the cart contains the above products, the selected shipping methods will no longer be available on the Shopify checkout page. Thank you for using our KlinKode apps. If you have any questions and need quick reply, feel free to reach out to our support team via live chat directly from the ShipRight app. Happy selling!